What's up there, guys? We out here. What's this called? Santee Alley. We got a dope model portfolio shoot for Diamond. We got model coach Mocha Tay in the building, and we got the world-renowned. He's known on several different continents. Marquise Ward Beauty on makeup / everything. You probably did hair too.
No, Brian did hair.
Brian did hair. Brian did hair. So let's get into it. All right, today we're using my A7IV, my Sigma 24-70. Today I may not use it. I got it on here just in case. We're using the Godox Lux Senior retro flash. You see, it gives that old school harsh light look. Y'all know I love harsh light. I don't do soft light. I don't do no soft shit around here. But yeah, gonna get into it. I got my zoom on so I can come out for full shots, zoom in for tight shots. Get a variety, not to switch lenses. Since we're on the street, you'll see it's gonna be like a busy street. People walking away. I don't have time to switch gear and all that. We kind of run and gun. So yeah, let's get into it. Key to shooting outside. Tip about shooting outside. You have to always change your light. You have to, because the sun is going to change, especially when you're using flash outside, the sun is constantly changing. So don't run through 100 pictures of snapping and you hadn't did a test image every 10 or so shots, because the sun is changing every second. So that's a good tip, especially if you're using flash. Regardless if you're using flash or not, you always have to change your light setting. Second look right now. Shout out to the generous gentleman that let us use that parking booth. Yeah.
A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but that beauty. A rich man's world. I have turned the soul of this beautiful land, but a rich